Okay, now you see this problem. Is this problem completed? ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾರು
No, sir.
ಹಾ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗೈತೆ. Is it completed?
No, sir.
Probability of an individual after becoming a victim of cancer is 1/10. Chance of survival of 4 when 6 have been affected. This is completed. Is it completed? Okay, I think it is completed.
Yes,
You see the next problem. The probability that a firer hit the target with one shot is 1/4. Probability of hitting the target by a firer is 1/4. Means out of 4 hittings, he will hit 1 to the target. If the firer 4 shots at a target, find the probability that he hit the target at least once, all the 4 times. There are 2 questions. First question is at least 1 hit, and second question is all the 4 times. You see the problem clearly. The probability of hitting the target is 1/4. Okay, probability of hitting the target is 1/4 by a firer. Okay, then if the firer 4 shots at a target, find the probability that he hits the target at once and all the 4 times. ಅವನಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿವಿ probability ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರ hit ಮಾಡೋ probability ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರ 1/4 ಐತಿ. Hitting the target is 1/4. 4 chance given to him. 4 chance given to him. 4 shots means 4 chance given to him. So n is 4. N is 4. Then you have to find the x value. X means your question. X means your question. At least once. At least once means what? ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಆದ್ರೂ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾವ. 4 ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ, 4 ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಗಿವನ್, at least one. At least one means, are you satisfied with one or more than one also? This type of problem I solved in the probability in the 3rd semester. What do you mean by at least one? Yes. 4 chance given to the firer. At least one hit is our satisfaction, our requirement. ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಒಂದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಒಂದು ಅಂದ್ರ at least one. What it mean? Yes, come on, tell me, anyone. What is the
only one?
Huh?
Only one.
Only one. I say that, let us see here. I say that at least one attend my class. At least one attend my class. What it mean? What is the meaning of this? At least one attend my class. What is the meaning of this? Only one is to attend the class. Only one is to attend the class. In your class, 83 students are there in statistics. Only one is to attend the class or any other answer? ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಒಬ್ಬರಾದ್ರೂ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಒಬ್ಬರಾದ್ರೂ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ರು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಡೀತೈತಿ?
More than one.
More than one, not one. At least one means one or more than one. Remember this. At least one means one or more than one. More than one means how many chances are given to him? 4 chances are given to him. 1, 2, 3, 4. So x value is 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember this. All four means n is 4, x is 4. Remember this. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಂಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟ. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಈಜಿ ಐತಿ ಇದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1ನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾನೋ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. So x means at least once means one or more than one is acceptable. Remember this. So in this problem, n is 4. P is equal to 1 by 4. Then Q is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. Then what is your equation? Binomial equation is NCX P raised to X Q raised to N minus X. Okay. First question. First question is probability of survival of 4. Probability of at least once. At least once. At least one means x is equal to greater than 0. X is equal to greater than 0 means your requirement is at least 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to calculate the value of x is, you have to write x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4. 4 times you have to calculate. You have to write the equation 4 times and take the addition. 4 ಸಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಟು ಬರೆದು ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋದು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ instead of direct solution, you make the complementary. So x is greater than 0. X is greater than 0 means at least one is required. Okay, not required is complementary. Complementary is x is less than 1. Less than 1 means 0. Less than 1 means 0. Okay, less than 1. X is equal to less than 1 means 0. You write this equation and solve the problem. You may solve this problem directly. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಏನನ್ನು ಬರಬೇಕು? x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 4 ಸಲ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬರ 4 ಸಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತುಂಬಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಲೆಂಗ್ದಿ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದು ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೇನಿ, x is complementary of. So complementary of, it is a complementary of x minus, sorry, x is less than 1. Better than less model. 1 is your probability. In 1, you deduct the probability. So probability of x is greater than 1 is equal to 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0. Now better 0. Andra ಒಟ್ಟು 10 ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆಗೈತಿ. ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಒಂದಾದ್ರೂ ಹೊಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳು. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಆದ್ರೂ ಹೊಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. One shot, at least one shot is our expectation. Okay, so our not expectation is x is equal to 0. Therefore, if you fill the equation, then 1 minus ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. Then in this equation, you fill the value. X is equal to greater than 0 is equal to 1 minus n is 4, x is 0. X is 0. Then p is 0.25. 1/4 means 0.25 raised to 0. Q is 0.75 raised to 4 minus 0, n minus x. Fill the values. Then x is equal, probability of x is greater than 0 is equal to 1 minus 4c0 is equal to 1. 0.25 raised to 0 means it is also 1. Remember this. 1, 1. And 0.75 raised to 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 0.75 raised to 4. Therefore, probability of x is greater than 0 is equal to 1 minus 0.75 raised to 4. Sorry, I need to work. This is first one. 1 means 4c0. 4c0 is 1. Then 0.25 raised to 0. 0.25 raised to 0 is equal to 1. 1 into 1, 1. There is no difference. And 0.75 raised to 4. 0.75 raised to 4 is 0.3161641. So your answer is probability of x is greater than 0 is equal to 1 minus 0.31641 is equal to 0.6836. 6836 is the probability of hitting at least once. At least once means 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 hits. There are 4 hits. Okay, this is the first question. And second question is at least one. Then the second question is all 4 times. All 4 times. All 4 times means probability of all 4 times. All 4 times means there are 4 chances. All the 4 chance he should hit the target. He should hit the target. Therefore, x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. All 4 ಅಂದ್ರ x 4 ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ n ಇರೋದು 4 ಐತಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಅಂದ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟವು 4 ಇದಾವ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ x is equal to 4 ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. All 4 in the case. So probability of x is equal to 4. You write the equation. Probability of x is equal to ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. So probability of x is equal to 4 is equal to, you fill the value of x, 4c4. n is 4, x is 4. 0.25 raised to 4, 0.75 raised to 4 minus 4 is equal to 4C4 is one value. 0.25 raised to 0.25. 0.75 raised to 0. 0.75 raised to 0 means 4 minus 4, 0. Okay, then 0.20 p raised p probability of x minus x is equal to 4. Probability of x is equal to 4 is equal to 0.25 raised to 4. Clear? Any doubt? This is 1. This is 0.25 raised to 4. 0.25 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Okay. So if there is a 1, it will not affect. There is no effect of that 1. Remember this. Okay. Then probability of x is equal to 4 is equal to 0.003906. This is the answer. Remember this. This is the answer. You see the next question. 2% of electric bulbs manufactured by a firm are defective. What is the percentage of defective?
2%.
2% is defective. Okay. 2% defective means that is a probability. 2% is probability value, defective, in manufactured by a firm. Okay. 6 bulbs are randomly selected. 6 bulbs are randomly selected means 6 is the n value. 6 is the n value. 6 bulbs are selected randomly. What is the probability that at least one of the selected bulb is defective? What is the question? If you select a bulb, at least one of the selected bulb is defective. Okay. You see here, probability is 2%. Probability is 2%. N is 6. Then what is 6 x here? What is the value of x? Question. Question is x. Okay. What is the value of x in this question? They asked at least one. At least one. What is the meaning of at least one? Already I told. Six bulbs are randomly selected. Then what is the value of x? At least one means. So n is 6, p is 2 by 100, probability, q is equal to 1 minus 2 by 100 is equal to 98 by 100. Your equation is p, probability of x is equal to ncx, p raised to x, q raised to n minus x. Okay. Come on, tell me, what is the x value? At least one. At least one means in the previous problem, I explained the same one. Again, you are not ready to answer the question. Yes, come on, tell me, anyone. At least one ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಲ್ಬ್ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ? 6 ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ. ನಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಒಂದಾದ್ರೂ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಾದ್ರೂ ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಒಂದ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟ? ಒಂದೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕನ್ನೋದು.
One or more.
One or more. One or more. This is the answer. Okay. You have to calculate answer for this question. One or more. One or more. For one or more, you have to calculate. Therefore, x is equal to greater than 0. Am I right? 1 ಅಥವಾ 1 ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಂದ್ರ 0 ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾವ 1 or more. 1 or more means it may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last is 6 because only 6 samples are there. Okay. You calculate 6 value. You calculate 6 value directly. That is a difficult one. So you make the complementary. So it is a complementary of greater x is complementary of, it is a complementary of x is smaller than 1. Smaller than 1. The same equation you apply. So probability of x is greater than 1. Sorry, 0. So x is greater than 0 is equal to probability of 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0. You fill in the equation. So NCX p raised to x q raised to n minus x. 1 minus n is 6, x is 0. Here x is 0. P value is 0.02. Am I right or wrong? 2 divided by 100 means 2 divided by 100 is equal to 0.02. Remember it. Raised to 0. Q is 0.98. Q is equal to 0.98. 98 divided by 100 is equal to 0.98. You remember it. 0.98 raised to 6 minus 0. 6 minus 0. So probability of x is greater than 0 is equal to 1 minus 6C0 is equal to 1. 0.02 raised to 0. 0.98 raised to 6. You calculate its value. So 1 minus 0.8858. 8858. It is the value of 0.98 raised to, this is 1 and this is also 1. 1 into 1. There is no effect. Only value you calculate 0.98. 0.98 raised to 6. 0.98 raised to 6 is equal to 0.8858. Remember it. 0.2 raised to 0. If the power value is 0, its base is always 1. Its base is always 1. Remember it. Clear? Its value is 1. So if you deduct it, then next is probability of x is greater than 0 is equal to 0.1142. 0.1142 is the answer. Remember this. 0.1142. Clear? Come to the next question. You see this. This is the question. In an office, 40% employees are women. In an office, 40% employees are women. It is the probability. 40% is women. Clear? Then what is the probability that a randomly selection of 3 employees? If you select 3 employees has a woman only. As a woman only means, you see here, n is equal to 3. You selected 4 employees, 3 employees. 3 employees you selected. Whatever you selected, that is n value. 3 employees selected. N is 3. Then P is equal to 40%. Woman employees 40%. 40 by 100. then Q is equal to 1 minus P is equal to 60 by 100. Binomial equation is probability of X is equal to NCX P raised to X Q raised to N minus X. This is the equation. Then what is the value of X here? Your question. In case of 3 employees, we selected 3 employees. What is the probability that 3 employees selected has woman only? Woman only means ನಾವು 3 ಮಂದಿ ವರ್ಕರ್ ಕರೆದ್ವಿ, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ವುಮನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾವ. ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟ? ವುಮನ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವುಮನ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇರಬೇಕು? 3 ಜನ ವರ್ಕರ್ ಕರೆದಿವಿ, ಆ 3 ಜನ ವುಮನ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತಾನ. 3 ಜನ ಅಂದ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು, ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ವುಮೆನ್? Yes, what is the value of X? Don't waste your time. Come on, tell me. Workers, employees 3. 3 employees called. And what is the probability that whatever 3 employees called, all the 3 were women? Then what is the value of X? What is your question? Probability of women only. Probability of women only. So X is equal to 3. X ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಜನ ಆದ್ರೆ 3 ಜನ ವರ್ಕರ್ ಕರೆದ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವುಮನ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವುಮನ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕರೆದವ್ರು 3 ಮಂದಿ ರೀ, 3 ಮಂದಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರೆ 3 ಮಂದಿಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಲ್ಲ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವುಮನ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. This is common meaning in this question. So X is equal to 3. Then probability of X is equal to 3 you have to calculate. So probability of X is equal to NCX P raised to X Q raised to N minus X. You fill in the equation. N is 3, X is 3, P is 0.4, X is 3, Q is 0.6. 3 minus 3, N is 3, X is 3. If you solve this question, N 3C3 is equal to 1, 0.4 raised to 3, 0.6 raised to 0. 0.6 raised to 0 is nothing but 1. You leave this. So P is equal to probability of X is equal to 0.4 raised to 3. 0.4 raised to 3. 1 will not affect. Okay. So 0.4 raised to 3 is equal to 0.064. This is the probability of all women. Probability of all women. This is the answer. You once again go through these videos and be perfect.